Did you know Hollywood's most famous tough guy was once told he'd never amount to anything? In 1968, Danny Trejo sat in San Quentin State Prison, serving time for armed robbery, 11 years behind bars, heroin addiction, multiple felony convictions. Everyone said he was finished before he started. Then a drug counselor asked him to help with a film being shot at the prison. Years later, clean and sober, he worked as a $50 per day extra on Runaway Train. The director took one look at his prison tattoos and hardened face. Perfect. But casting directors only saw him as generic criminal number 3. Then something clicked. His criminal past wasn't his weakness. It was his greatest strength. Robert Rodriguez saw it too, writing the role of Machete specifically for Trejo. At age 65, the ex-con became an action star. Today, he's appeared in over 400 films. Sometimes your worst background becomes your best qualification.